Thanks very much. It's really great to be here and really enjoy going back to my roots and hearing a little bit more about protein design. I wanted to talk a little bit about the support that we can give you at DREI to take your research out of academia and have impact in other areas. I'm from research commercialisation, and we work with academics across the university who are looking for commercial outputs of their research. So that could be assessing what markets your research could have impact in. It could be that you think that you need a patent, or you think that maybe you need to protect your work via copyright, for example. We can guide you through that IP protection process. And then we can take you all the way through into taking the intellectual property within your research project out into the world. So that could be licensing to an existing company. It could be helping you to found your own company. So that's kind of what we do in research commercialisation. But we work really closely with some other teams in DREI. Firstly, the impact development team, we work very closely with them, and I wanted to particularly highlight the Translational Research Hub, who are a one-stop shop for health interventions. They can help you all the way from a very early stage all the way into taking it out of the university. And we have Susie here who is representing them, so if you want to talk to her, she can offer you some really great support. The other one I wanted to really highlight was the IAA funding that we have. So this is initial prompt priming funding to take your research into that translational space, enabling you to bid for larger external support. And finally, I think that Policy Bristol and public engagement, particularly in AI, are really important to maximising the outputs of your research, making sure that people are aware of and are comfortable with the impact of AI is going to be critical for everyone to benefit from your research. So I'd really encourage you to engage with those teams as well. Thank you very much.